Also, how to use Arduino and servos with servo motors. Also, it is really simple, and those servos, they're really cheap. They cost under $5, and they work really good. I mean, they are simple and it is easy to control it using Arduino, simple Arduino Uno. And how to connect it, I use two switches. Once to go to the right and the other to the left. And you can find code picture how to write it. It's really simple. And this is kind of servo you can find on many places. SG90, it is usually in all kind of toys and small things. Yeah, simple to use, and just to start with Arduino and servos, I think this really excellent example how to do it. Also, one simple servo, SG90, two resistors and two switch. Also simple.